Vision and studying in UKG.
Which is our country?
India.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Which is our district?
Yadgiri.
Which is the capital city of Karnataka?
Bangalore.
Which is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
How many months are there in a year? Say loudly. Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Which is our national river?
Ganga river.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Which is our national game?
Hockey.
Which is our national food?
Khichdi.
Which is our national sweet?
Jalebi.
Which is the smallest state in India?
Goa.
Which is the largest state in India?
Rajasthan.
Who designed the national flag?
Venkali Venkaliya.
Who is the Iron Man of India?
Sarala Patel.
Who is the father of our nation?
Anna Gandhi.
When do we celebrate Christmas?
45 December.
Which is the biggest bird in the world?